Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am cleaning up my kitchen so I could prepare myself to redecorate for the fall. So if you guys like these type of videos, just keep on watching. And also this video is in collaboration with April from House to Home. You guys should really go check out her channel. She does videos on home decor, shopping, DIYs, and decorating, and most of all lifestyle videos. So yeah, you guys could go in the description box below and go check out her channel and see what she did for her video. So let's get started with cleaning my kitchen. Obviously you guys already know I have to start washing the dishes first. And look at me smelling that rag, because it kind of smelled a little bit like, I don't know, how do you describe a wet rag? That's how it smells, like a wet rag. And I kept smelling it and I was like, this is gross, why is it still here? But yeah, I am just cleaning up my dishes and don't mind that meat. That's what I pulled out from the freezer, because that's what I was having that night. I had steak tacos, and let me tell you guys, that was so delicious. And I'm not lying when I say I eat tacos at least once a week. I'm pretty sure my boyfriend gets tired of it. Oh, I'm not pretty sure, but I know he does. But I had the best steak tacos that night, and honestly I patted myself on the back because they turned out really good. I actually got this orange container from the Target dollar spot last year when they had the fall slash Halloween items, and that's why I have that. So I actually got it at Target. I think it was like I think it was either $3 or $5, and I thought it was super cute. I had to take it out of where it was at because it matched what I was going for this kitchen. However guys, I'm not gonna lie, it didn't really turn out as great as I wanted it to be, because I bought a floor rug that you guys will see towards the end, and I'm pretty sure you guys seen it on my deep cleaning video, which by the way guys, my living room and dining room is a mess again. So I have to re-clean my place so I could actually finish my fall decor. And once I'm finished with my fall decor, I am going to do a fall house tour. Yeah, so once I'm done decorating, I'll let you guys see everything, and I'm just pretty much just cleaning right now and constantly cleaning. All I'm doing really. Didn't realize how much cleaning I did until I started YouTube, and I was in it, and it's just like, wow, I really do clean a lot. But it's fine, because sometimes, you know, life happens and you just get messy sometimes. It's not dirty, it's just messy. So I just realized that I totally just spaced out and just kept on talking. Anyways, I did not like how it turned out, how I decorated my kitchen, mainly because the floor rug had colors in there that was very hard to find, honestly. But the main color I kept finding was orange, obviously, but they also had like a pinkish type purplish pumpkin on there, and they also had like a grayish kind of bluish kind of pumpkin on there, and I really couldn't find anything except for the little pumpkins that you'll see soon as I start decorating, except for those. And honestly, that's the only kind of pumpkins I found with those colors, so I ended up straying away from what my theme was. And you know, it's still pretty, but you know, I wasn't, you know, satisfied. But right here I am using the pumpkin apple hand soap from Bath and Body Works, which I'm gonna have a haul that's coming out for you guys on Tuesday of the items that I got at Bath and Body Works, because they had a sale for $3. But you guys will all know that this coming Tuesday. Also, just to let you guys know, a lot of my film and editing are all pre-filmed, so you'll see me post. However, there is a hurricane coming, or at least as of now it's still coming, so there's a chance I might not be able to respond to people. But you know, with faith in God, it will just keep on going the other direction, because we know we don't want no hurricane coming this way. But yeah, anyways, just keep me watching, you know, me cleaning and all this fun stuff. And then this is when I start actually decorating the one side of my kitchen. And just to let you guys know, all these items will be listed, not really listed, I'm gonna list the haul videos they were in below, and that way you guys can see the price and where I got it from in the description box below inside the haul. So if you guys didn't see those two hauls, go check it out. You guys know you want to see where I got all this from, because look how cute these pumpkins. These are the pumpkins I was talking about that really matched the carpet, not the carpet, but the rug that I got. The very first thing that I got was the rug, but yeah, that's pretty much all I found that was closely related to the rug. And yeah, again, there's more pumpkins and just pumpkins everywhere because my whole place is just like a pumpkin patch. And you guys will see my other decoration video on Thursday, which is also pre-recorded, and it's also a collaboration, so you guys should check that out on Thursday, this coming up Thursday. So you see me putting another scarecrow. I love scarecrows. I don't mind scarecrows because I think these are cute, but then like the bigger ones are kind of creepy, but that's fine. I stuck it in the haystack because I didn't know how I was gonna have it, standing up. But there you go, my leaves candle. Oh, I was so excited that this came out because this is my favorite fall candle ever. But I will let you guys know all that on my Bath and Body Works haul. So yeah, so obviously I did not like how the orange container looked, so I ended up using this jar that I previously purchased at the Christmas tree shops, and I used these florals, which also matched my rugs, which they had me struggling, because you know me, I struggle when I cut floral little stems. But anyways, just keep on watching, because if not, I'll just keep on talking. See how pretty? So pretty. I know it's not how I wanted it, but it still turned out really pretty. So I am on the other side of my kitchen, and I'm just setting this up and have a leaf garland just around the little containers. And I just thought that was give it a little, I didn't want the other side of my kitchen looking plain, so I just added this leaf garland. So I wanted to put kitchen towels because I love kitchen towels, and these were actually from Ross, which I did not haul this because I actually purchased these after the haul. And of course, me not liking the orange container again, guys. I just didn't feel like having it anywhere. But yeah, I just used this little basket and I put all my kitchen towels inside the basket. Just to let you guys know. Sorry that I just keep on talking, but I feel like watching a video while I'm talking is more interesting, I guess. I don't know, but right now I'm on the other side of the kitchen and I'm just cleaning this up so I could actually finally use this orange container. But yeah, I just put it right on top of the stove with this little leaf plate thingy, and I thought it would just work there perfectly. There you go, I finally used it. And obviously I did not want the orange container just looking so sad and plain, so I put some more florals inside. And that is all. That's how I decorated my kitchen. I know it's not like the best in the world, but it's okay. It's pretty, and I got these kitchen towels. It did kind of stray away from my rug. You see the rug? Right now I'm just sweeping up real quick, but you'll see the rug. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you go check out April's video, because whatever she does amazing. She does amazing DIY. She's so good at what she does, and I really enjoy watching her videos. She's also super nice, and she just loves communicating with anybody. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.